What is investing? Squirrel wants to save for winter, but Squirrel has a problem. Squirrel has acorns, but Squirrel does not want acorns just sitting in a hole. Sitting acorns do nothing. So Squirrel asks, what if acorns could make more acorns? This is called investing. Instead of burying acorns and hoping no other squirrel steals them, Squirrel puts acorns to work. Squirrel gives acorns to a tree company, and over time, that tree company grows bigger. Squirrel's acorns grow with it. This is the whole idea. But how does Squirrel actually invest? Squirrel downloads Acorns. Acorns is an app that takes small amounts of Squirrel's spare acorns and automatically invests them. Every time Squirrel buys something, Acorns rounds up to the nearest whole acorn and invests the difference. Squirrel spends 3 acorns and 50 seeds on a coffee. Acorns rounds that up to 4 acorns and puts 50 seeds straight into Squirrel's investment account. It happens automatically. Squirrel does not even have to think about it. Tiny amounts build up faster than Squirrel expects. So where do Squirrel's acorns actually go? Acorns put Squirrel's money into a diversified portfolio. This means Squirrel's acorns get spread across many different companies at once, like hiding acorns in 500 separate trees instead of one. If one tree falls, Squirrel does not lose everything. Acorns builds these portfolios using something called ETFs, exchange-traded funds, which are basically baskets full of many different stocks. Squirrel picks a risk level from conservative to aggressive, and Acorns handles the rest. Less stress for Squirrel. Different squirrels want different things. Some squirrels are saving for retirement. That is a long, cold winter very far away. Acorns has a retirement account option called an IRA for exactly this kind of squirrel. Other squirrels just want to grow their acorn pile generally. There is a regular investment account for that too. Squirrel families with young squirrels can even open a custodial account to start building acorns for baby squirrel's future before baby squirrel even knows what an acorn is. Why does starting early matter so much? Compound growth. This is when squirrel's acorns earn returns, and then those returns also earn returns. Acorns on top of more acorns. A squirrel who starts investing at a young age ends up with dramatically more than a squirrel who waits. Time is the most powerful thing Squirrel has. Even small, consistent contributions compounded over decades turn into surprisingly large piles. Squirrel does not need to be a rich squirrel to start. Squirrel just needs to start. Acorns makes this whole process simple enough for any squirrel, whether squirrel knows a lot about investing or absolutely nothing at all. The roundups are automatic. The portfolio management is handled. Squirrel just lives life and watches the acorn pile slowly, steadily grow. And Squirrel should remember one very important thing before going further. Nothing in this presentation should be interpreted as professional investment counsel. Please do not hold Squirrel accountable with any legal action.